Please consult with your physician before starting a diet, exercise, or nutritional plan. Welcome! Landmine standing press can increase overhead performance and strength and help fix shoulder imbalance. I haven't done the Landmine standing press in over 15 years. I'm optimistic that it will help me resolve some of my shoulder issues. In 2013, I had a major stroke and my right arm popped out of my shoulder. Several years later, I had a traumatic fall on the ice on the other shoulder. So I'm hoping that this will help to strengthen and stabilize my shoulders. Let's go outside and see what happens. Wow, this feels really good. Now let's get into the form. Hinge at your hips to lean forward slightly. Press the barbell straight up until your arms are fully extended. Engage your core as you hold this position for 1 to 2 seconds. Slowly lower the weight down. I'm really liking this exercise. Let's go over the benefits and the muscles that it works. As I anecdotally just experienced, the Landmine press can be used as an accessory movement to increase overhead performance and strength. Landing standing press, this exercise works the following muscles: deltoid, pectorals, major and minor, scapular, stabilizers, triceps, oblique, core muscles, and glutes. I hope you found this helpful. I know I did. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. What is my channel about? Anything related to spiritual, mental, and physical. It's all interrelated.